Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Winds Tarot, and this is your February love and work forecast for Libras. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Libra, this reading is for you. If you know a Libra, you can cross watch it for them, friends. Make sure to subscribe Magic Winds Tarot, like and share, friends, because if you subscribe, you get a chance to win a free reading at the end of every month. One random winner is selected to win a free reading. Also, friends, join us on Instagram as Magic Winds Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwindstarot.com. So let's jump right into this reading for Libras. Let's see. And the Hindi Urdu versions will be on the other channel, friends. Make sure you subscribe that channel also. The link is in the timestamps below. So Libras, how your month of February will be. Let us see that. Theme of the month of February for Libras. Okay. So my rings are moving a lot today. For Libras, theme of the month. Wow, the Hermit and the Fool. Ooh, you are going for a new start, Libras. February is actually like the start of a new era for you, a start of a new life for you, a new year for you. So congratulations, something new and exciting is starting for you, Libras. You have big dreams about it, and you are keeping very quiet about it. You are telling nobody about this new start which is happening, or you are planning for a new start. Maybe you are shifting, relocating, traveling, whatever it is, or you are starting a new course, you have joined something, you are starting a new job. But nope, you are telling nobody. What you up to, Libras? You are very, very quiet about your success, about your plans this month, Libras. It is good, it is intelligent. Also, you are very wise. You are very wise. People will look at you for advice. They will come to you for advice, Libras, in February. So, you are the love guru. I see that. I also need some love advice from you. And look at that, money, money, money. Wow, lots of money is coming, lots of self love is coming, self worth is coming. You are putting yourself first, Libras. You are putting yourself first, and you are getting a lot of money, a lot of compliments, a lot of aha moments in February. Congratulations. I love it. I love this energy. And you are telling nobody because you are so successful. You are like, nah. If you are in a new relationship, you are keeping quiet because it's going, superb. You are telling nobody, Libras. But we know. Let's I think a lot of money is coming your way. Also, some of you might be starting your own jobs, your own careers, independent work, you are starting some work on a hobby, you are getting paid for it, you're getting your first payment for a job, or for maybe a commissioned work like drawing, painting, you're getting paid for it. So congratulations, Libra, you are going places. Yay. So let's see how your love life will be, Libras. What happened in the past for Libras in their love life? Ooh, my God. Okay. Oh my God, you had a lot going on in your past, Libras. No wonder you are keeping quiet now. In February, let us see what happened in your past. In your love life, you had a lot of tower moments. A relationship, a person really caused you a lot of sudden shakeups, a lot of sudden, you know, like you felt like a collapse of a relationship. You felt like everything just went down, the mountain coming down. You were building sand castles, you feel like that, and everything just collapsed in a day and you feel unhappy. But now I think in the past you were trying to recover from that loss, you were trying to recover from that setback in love. You were trying to be very strong. You were not telling people it hurted you. You were trying and pretending to be very strong. Even the person you were involved with, Libras, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, or a Capricorn Virgo Taurus person. The person you were involved, they were also like, yeah, I'm going to be my egoistic self, I don't care. And that is why it caused a lot of problems. I think someone was very resistant to change. Someone, a long distance might have caused problems in this connection. Maybe, this person was also very arrogant to change, to give to you. Their arrogance and their resistant to change, like, I will do what works for me, I don't care about you. It caused a lot of, it made the relationship collapse. You faced a tower moment, someone just left you, or you left that connection because that person was like, nope, I don't want to agree. I think that person was hurting inside, but they didn't even show that, like they cared for you. You felt like betrayed. This person is like, I don't have any emotions for you in the past. And you were like, what? They don't even care. Did this person ever loved me? Let's see what's happening currently, Libras, in your love life. It was a bad energy, seriously. Okay, yeah, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I told you, you're dealing with someone very emotional, someone, yeah, someone. Oh God, Libras. What's happening currently for them? Yeah, you are having, you are dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or someone who is now showing a lot of emotions for you, Libra. Either you could be in a lot of emotions with this person. Also, this person is like, sometimes they love you, sometimes they don't love you, Libra. So, this is the confusing part. In the past, this person was very dominating. This person was, I don't even care, I don't know who you exist. And now they are back. And they are showing you that they are mature and they are changed, they are different person. But I feel they are still very good at playing mind games. You don't trust them. I think this person is still very moody. They have a lot of mood swings. So I think you are just staying friends with this person, or you are keeping them in the friend zone, or they are keeping you in the friend zone. They might message you, or they have already messaged you, this person of yours, Libra. But I don't think so you should trust them, Libra, because they are like, yeah, I'll friend zone you, I'll be friends with you. But there are still some hidden factors here that you can't see, Libra. I also see you are focused more on friendships now, Libra. You're focused more on the friendship, on the love. You might be having common friends, so you are dealing with that, like enjoying your time, taking some, making some friendships rather than focusing on being tricked by this person or by someone. I feel, Libra, the main thing that is happening right now is someone trying to keep in your good books while they still are quite the same old person. Arrogant and I don't care type. Let's see what will happen in February in your love life, Libras. I'm excited now. Oh my God, lots of cards. Let's see. One card dropped down. Oh my God, Libras. So in February, there is the Nine of Cups. Some happiness and relief is coming for you, Libras. Congratulations. You're going to find some happiness. Probably this person's birthday is in February. Maybe they are a Pisces, or they are going to take you out on a date, on a peace trip, like, hey, let's make out. Let's, end this fight and sit and have dinner together and some romantic time together. So, Libra, get ready. And the high priest, I think this person is realizing that you are quite a valuable thing to them. You are a valuable person. They can't do without you. I think you tried to tell this person about something. You guided this person, you supported them, and now they will realize in February that your support is very necessary. Your guidance, your wisdom, Libra, is necessary to this person because they are clueless without you. This person is a kite which doesn't have a string without you. So they are lost without you. Transformation. This person will come back in February and ask you for a new start, or will try, secretly or very subtly to be friends with you, to be, they will ask your common friends how you are doing. They want a new start with you. They want to come close to you very, very slowly and very silently, like without causing you any, I don't know how to say. They want to come inside your life, into your heart, very silently, very sneakily. Eight of Swords. I think you will not accept them, but I don't know why. But you will take them out, go out with them, but you are still a little unsure of this person, Libras, because you are like, yeah, I like you, baby. I know we are meant for, we are meant for marriage. We are made for each other, but I don't know. That's perfect, Libras. You are doing the right thing, because this person is like they want to enter your heart through a secret doorway, but I don't know how long they will stay there. So let's see who is the person that's coming for you in February. Okay, it could be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Someone you met online, or you talk mostly online. Four of Cups, someone who disappointed you in the past, that person is coming towards you. Someone who left you, Eight of Cups. Yeah, someone who left you, who didn't accepted your offer of love, who rejected you, who was very cold, who was very mean to you, Libras, that person is coming back. Because it's not over for them. They realized they were stupid. They realized they are moody. They realized like you are doing very successfully. You have got a lot of money. You have got a lot of friends. You have got everything going well. And now they want to sneak in like a bear to honey. So what's blocking you? Your love life, Libras. In February. Balance. You have to stay in balance, friends. Also, somewhere this person may behave like they have changed, but you should be a bit careful, because I don't see them truly changing. You know, this person is like, see, I have become mature, I was wrong, they are a sweet talker, but then, balance. You have to stay in balance. You have to keep this relationship in balance. Balance is important. You also are busy at work, so you have to balance your work and career. Four of Wands, marriage is an issue. This is a twin flame connection. So you have to balance it out. It is tough. It is an intense connection. Also, other people are involved in this connection, like friends, common family. So you have to keep balancing them and this person and the connection. So what blessings are coming for in your love life? Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, the Five of Pentacles, trust. You are going, someone will try to win your trust. That is the blessing. What else? Ten of Pentacles, yeah. Someone wants to build a family. They want to, start whatever they left in between. They want to work things out with you. They now understand your value. I also feel the main blessing is that you have a lot of loyal friends and family around you. You can count on them, Libras. You may not know where this person stands with you, or you are not sure whether you can trust them or not, but you can trust your family, your friends, and people around you. You can trust them. But this past person, you may still be a little, you will take your time to know them. That's why probably you keeping your secret, this relationship a secret, because you don't want your friends to worry about you. You have very caring friends, very loyal family and friends. They will help you through this. Let's see some advice, Libras. Advice for our Libras. Wow, moving on. Yeah, you are ready to move on. You have moved away from this person or from a past relationship. You are ready for new things in life. But you are still, Five of Cups, Five of Swords. You are still like your head and heart are not in harmony, Libras. A part of you is still like, will it work? Why did that person hurted you? There is still that pinch. There is still that in the back of your mind. You still love that person and you still feel, what if things could be different? Hanged Man, sacrifice. Yeah, you are stuck with this person and you don't know why. I think a change, start valuing yourself, Libras. That's the time when this person will be like, they are used to leading. When you start leading, they will be very surprised. Rest and rejuvenate. Yeah, that's perfect for you. Take some time to rest, relax, enjoy your life. Don't worry too much. Let's see some advice for your, or what will happen in your work. Libras. For Libras, how their work will be and career will be in February. Partnerships and alliances and new beginnings and the Fool. Yeah, some of you could be starting a new job, a new career, moving to a new job, new city, joining a new college or going back to colleges. And also you will be finding a lot of support from people around you. A lot of support from people, from friends, family. If you are into business, a lot of business alliances will happen, like collaborations, I told you. Like getting your, if you are an artist, you will find more people who can pay you. If you are in business, more deals are coming, more clients are coming. So congratulations. And keep your communication sweet, because that will help you in work. Let's see. Extra messages for Libras. Okay. Let's see the messages. A man's dealings or relationships with a man. Yes, a man may be important. Maybe a colleague or a boss or a person you're involved with. Kite, vacation, wow. I told you, I mentioned kite earlier in the reading. Your person is like a kite without a string. So, yeah, travel is on your mind, a vacation. You might go on a vacation, a trip. Peacock, be aware of great pride. I think you are shining bright, Libras. In February, everyone wants you. You are the cake, you are the prize. October could be important. You could be dealing with someone born in October. 10, temporary situations. Yeah, someone from the past is coming back. Ram, Aries, a stubborn, aggressive person. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Ooh, I told you, someone was very arrogant in the past. July is also important. Yeah, someone could be born in July. Cancer, Scorpio. Cancer, Gemini person, June or July. October is also there. They are important. Next, an emotionally secure family is very important to you. Family is very strong with you. Rabbit, too much concerns with sexual matters. Yeah, everyone is very passionate towards you. Everyone is attracted towards you, Libra. So a lot of date offers, I see her. Sunrise. New ventures, a fresh start is coming for you. Congratulations. It's a great month for you, Libra. So subscribe Magic Wednesday, like and share. This is Mystic C saying bye.